In this quick guide, you'll learn how to convert Figma to Webflow with the new plugin. If you're a designer looking to streamline your workflow, this tutorial is tailored just for you. We'll be diving into a straightforward process that will help you seamlessly integrate your Figma designs into Webflow using the latest plugin. So let's get started and make your design transition smooth and efficient. To begin, you'll want to head over to webflow.com. If you haven't already, sign into your account. This site will be the hub where all the magic happens, so it's important to have everything set up and ready to go. Once you're on the homepage, look for the All Sites button. Clicking this will lead you to a comprehensive view of all the projects you've been working on. It's like your personal dashboard, making it easy to navigate through your various sites. Now, you need to select the specific site you want to work with. Click on the site you've chosen and it will open up, giving you access to various customization options. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find a section labeled Apps. Click on this to proceed. This is a key area where you can manage and integrate different applications into your Webflow workspace. Next, use the search bar to type in Figma. By doing this, you'll quickly locate the plugin we're focusing on today. Once you see Figma to Webflow in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This plugin is the bridge that will connect your Figma designs to Webflow, so it's crucial to install it. To install the plugin, click on Install on Site. This action will integrate the plugin directly into your Webflow project, enabling you to have direct access to your Figma designs. It's a simple step, but it lays the foundation for everything else to come. After the installation is complete, there's one more step to finalize the process. Click on Open in Figma. This will redirect you to Figma, where you can choose the specific design file you want to import into Webflow. By doing this, you ensure that your design is ready to be transformed and brought to life on the web. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your Figma design into Webflow using the new plugin. This process not only saves time, but also maintains the integrity and quality of your design. With this efficient workflow, you can now focus more on creativity and less on tedious manual tasks. Thanks for watching this guide. We hope it helps you enhance your design projects effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick guides and tips to optimize your design and development process. Happy designing!